Hey everyone! Exciting news from OnePlus. The company is reportedly working on the OnePlus 13T with the model number PKX110. It has already cleared major certifications in China, which means we're getting closer to its official launch. If everything goes as expected, we might see it hit the market next month, or perhaps in May if OnePlus decides to keep us waiting a little longer. Now, let's dive into the specs because this phone is shaping up to be quite the powerhouse. The OnePlus 13T is rumored to feature a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and ultra-responsive scrolling, everything you'd expect from a flagship-level display. And yes, it will come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, making unlocking the phone seamless and secure. But here's something even more interesting. OnePlus might be experimenting with an action button, similar to what Apple introduced on the iPhone. They have already confirmed that they're planning changes to the classic alert slider, so this could be part of their bigger plan. If true, it would be a bold move that could bring a new level of convenience to OnePlus users. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. While official details about this processor are still under wraps, early leaks suggest it will deliver top-tier performance, making the 13T a serious contender in the flagship space. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or AI-driven optimizations, this chipset should handle it all effortlessly. Now, let's talk cameras. OnePlus is reportedly equipping the 13T with a powerful 50-megapixel main sensor featuring optical image stabilization, OIS. This should ensure sharp, detailed shots even in low light. Alongside it, we're looking at another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x zoom. While these specs sound promising, what really matters is how OnePlus processes the images. That's still a mystery, but if they get the software tuning right, we could be looking at one of the best camera setups in this price range. And speaking of price, there are rumors suggesting the OnePlus 13T will land somewhere around $399 to $430. If that holds true, it could be an extremely competitive offering in the compact flagship segment. Now, let's move on to battery life, because what good is a powerful phone if it can't last the whole day? The OnePlus 13T is rumored to pack a massive 6,000 mAh battery, which is quite impressive for a compact flagship. This means you can expect all-day battery life, whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or handling daily tasks. And when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long. The device is expected to support 80W fast charging, so you can quickly power up and get back to using your phone. On top of that, there's a possibility that OnePlus might introduce wireless charging support, something fans have been asking for in this lineup. On the software side, the OnePlus 13T is likely to run OxygenOS 15, based on Android 15. This means users can expect all the latest features, optimizations, and a clean, smooth experience. OnePlus has been known for keeping its software close to stock Android while adding useful tweaks, so hopefully, there won't be any unnecessary bloatware slowing things down. Now, let's talk about design, because that's still a bit of a mystery. While leaks have confirmed the general form factor, there's still some debate about how the camera module will be arranged. Some sources suggest a vertical layout, while others claim it will be horizontal. Either way, OnePlus seems to be keeping us guessing, which adds to the excitement. Speaking of design choices, the OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a solid option for those who prefer compact flagship phones. In fact, it reminds us a bit of Sony's Xperia 5 series, small yet powerful, with a focus on premium specs. With so many brands shifting towards bigger and bulkier designs, OnePlus might finally be giving small phone enthusiasts a worthy alternative. Now, the real question. Would you choose the OnePlus 13T over the iPhone 16 or the upcoming Pixel 9a? Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this the compact flagship you've been waiting for? Let's discuss.